थोड़ा जोर से मेरे भाई आवाज़ नहीं आ रही.
Society magazine is giving an award to all the person for their leadership. What do you like to say about it?
I think it's a great thing, for any any person to receive such an honor. And I think when you work all your life so hard to achieve your goals and you get recognized for it, I think it's a huge thing. And I feel society is doing a damn good thing.
What qualities should have for leadership? What do leadership?
I think you have to do good to others. You have to achieve your goals and without any personal agendas, you should do good to the society. So I think that's a time when you actually leave a mark in the society, and I think it's very important for any individual to do that.
So is it true you're doing an international project?
Yeah, this one which is in the pipeline, and hopefully they'll come early next year, and fingers crossed, many more to come.
So other than that, any upcoming project?
Yeah, this is one. I'm right now coming from Hyderabad. I'm shooting for a Telugu film. Then for my home production also, I'm planning to start 2 movies this year. And like I said, things are looking pretty exciting here.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
You in some time. Please join us. Let's take a look at our next award winner's journey so far. Let's have the audio visual, please. Congratulations, sir. He's an industrialist, a philanthropist. Dr. Anil Murarka. Leadership should come with a social conscience. Hi. He's also won various awards like the Shurveer Award, Prerna Award, and the awards Zindagi Ke. Please give it up for Dr. Anil Murarka. Congratulations. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Ladies, you were absolutely gorgeous. Congratulations, Dr. Anil. Welcome, sir. Zordar taali honi chahiye, yaar. Come on. Everybody here. Welcome, sir. Tonight, so I would like to start talking about him. All right, we've all seen him on stage earlier. Raymond Group, Mr. Gautam Singhania on stage. And it'll be completely incomplete if we do not have his beautiful wife on stage with him. Nawaz, can we request you to please join him on stage? Behind every successful man is a gorgeous, gorgeous lady. Come. Zordar taaliyan honi chahiye. And thank you so much, sir. All the very best. And that's when we remember हमारे principals हमें बहुत डांटते थे. So a few words of wisdom to everybody who is here today. अच्छा चलिए एक बारी सबको thank you बोल दीजिए.
Thank you, madam.
A big round of applause for him. Thank you so much, sir.
Sharad Alve and Harvinder.
The honors. Congratulations, Mr. Sharad Alve and Harvinder Singh Bindra. यहीं पर ही रहिए, यहीं पर ही रहिए. Wait. इनको अवार्ड देने के लिए हम कुछ और लोगों को भी स्टेज पे बुलाना चाहेंगे. If that's okay with you, we'll make it very special for you. We have none other than the legendary movie director, Mr. Subhash Ghai with us. Sir, may I request you to please join us along with Kirti Kulhari and Parvez Damania. Please join us on stage. A big round of applause for all of you. I think it's going to be a very special award, isn't it? Welcome, sir. Firstly, I think it doesn't feel like less than any Filmfare or any Stardust award to me tonight. So I think so many film directors, actor, actress. From Eros, we have Krishika. Wow, giving away the award to both of you. So congratulations, एक बार जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए. Congratulations, gentlemen. I think ये आज की शाम की सबसे मेमोरेबल मोमेंट होने वाली है. पहले आप इधर आ जाइए, हम अवार्ड विनर्स को बुला लेते हैं. थैंक यू. कट कर दो भाई म्यूजिक. पहले तो सुभाष भाई जी यहाँ पे, मेरे से तो बोला ही नहीं जा रहा है अब कुछ भी. So he himself is here. You also can't speak now. How do you feel getting an award from the legendary director himself?
What do you feel I'm getting an award from a legendary director?
Totally honored, sir. Totally honored.
Why to speak louder?
I think sometimes, you know, words fall short and emotions वैसे ही इतने high होते हैं. So congratulations to both of you. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you so much to all of you. Subhash ji, thank you so much. We'll call you on stage in some time और मुझे आपसे बहुत सारी बातें करनी है, which we'll do in a few minutes. But thank you so much for doing the honors. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं for a lovely panel of presenters. Thank you. To the gorgeous ladies, thank you. To present the next award for this evening, I would like to welcome on stage none other than one and only one. A big round of applause. Along with Sandhya Shetty and my very, very gorgeous, stunning, beautiful, sensational, one and only Shibani Kashyap. A big round of applause for her. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Let's welcome our beautiful ladies on stage. So, एकदम सन्नाटा सा हो गया है, looking at the ladies. All right. So, let's take a look at the journey of our next award winners so far.
Thank you so much for recognizing this. I'm so very honored by Society Magazine, and you know, it's inspired me obviously to do more, bigger and better things, and you know, we're loving Mumbai. So thank you very much, Mumbai. It's been beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you. That's so sweet. So maybe companionship, जब आपने बोला मुझे लगा maybe there should be somewhere where we can fix them up a dating services. Well, that'll be so cute, isn't it? So thank you so much. Thank you so much. We'll request Mr. Sonu Sood to please stay back. I always hold back good-looking people. So please, a big round of applause for him. Please come here. So पहले तो having six-pack abs is okay, but keeping them for 1 year, you don't eat anything. How does that go?
No, not 1 year, past 20 years.
20 years?
Yeah.
How?
You know, you'll ask Madhu sir, you know, he's a director. He's one of the fittest directors we have. We work out together in the gym.
नहीं, वो तो fit किसी और reason की वजह से.
किस reason?
वो तो उनके actresses की भी fit. He's going to kill me. Every time I see, he's surrounded by so many beautiful women. And if I'm not wrong, you're married, right? तो शादी के बाद तो वैसे ही आधी motivation खत्म हो जाती है. But look at his motivation, you know. It's like, it's gorgeous to be surrounded by so many. So he has to be fit, isn't it? So how about you? अच्छा, okay, चलो. Question बदल देते हैं. How was your experience working with the legendary Jackie Chan? We saw you in so many places. I think that was fantastic. How was the experience?
I feel, you know, it's one of the most special experiences I ever had. He's one of the most grounded actor I ever come across. You know, when I met him for the first time, I remember in Dubai, and he was working on the sets like a spot boy, you know, picking chairs for other actors, you know, serving water to everyone. So lots to learn from him. You know, I think I almost spent 1 year with him, and you know, you always feel like a changed person when you work with a legend like Jackie. So I think truly, I was blessed, I would say.
Wonderful. So have you learned any Chinese words?
A little bit. You know, I actually learned Chinese for almost 20-25 days, but I couldn't find anyone to, you know, speak to. So slowly. Yeah, you can? Ni hao. Wo ye hai na hao.
Any other word?
Other word, I'll say after we end the show.
यूजली हम इंडिया में तो बड़े अलग वर्ड सिखाते हैं जैसे कोई इंडिया में आता है हम 2-3 गालियाँ सिखा देते हैं सो आई होप दे हैवंट डन द सेम टू यू No, they haven't. Okay. So thank you so much. We'll get you back on stage and have a little more conversations with you. But now is a very, very special moment of this evening for us. Well, firstly, I would like to wish my heartiest congratulations to all the impactful editor of Society magazine, Ms. Suchitra Iyer, to join us on stage. एक बार जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए. Come on, everybody. इतने ठंडे नहीं रहना हमने. Let's give it up. Welcome, and finally, the edition that we've all been waiting for. It's time for us to unveil the special Society Leadership Awards 2017 edition. And may I now request all the winners as well who won the Impactful Leader Award, Leadership Award, to please join us. Jitne bhi logon ne, I think we have given away 7 awards. Yes, we have Dr. Sunita here with us. Can I request all our other winners here? Mr. Sharad Alve, Harvinder Singh Bindra. क्या मुझे सबके नाम लेने पड़ेंगे एक-एक करके? I would like to welcome on stage Shri Gopal Kabra ji, Shirisha Guha, Mahavir Jain, Dr. Anil Murarka. Can I request all of you? If I've missed a name, then I'm really sorry, but let's have all the winners on stage. Dr. Kerki, please join us on stage. Welcome, sir. सर आप कुछ बोलते नहीं हैं महावीर जी आई एम वेरी अपसेट version of the Society Leadership Awards Magazine 2017. Right here, we have all the winners. To know more about them, you can go ahead and read the magazine. We'll have a copy for all of you. I hope you're interested in reading it, though. And these are the people who've truly, truly carved a niche for themselves in the past few years. Of the film craft, none other than Mr. Ashutosh Govarikar! Woo! May I also request Ms. Zarina Wahab to please join us on stage for the Leading Light Awards to present them. Zarina Wahab, wherever you are, please join us. Thank you. I'm so excited. For no reason, I'm getting to stand with Mr. Ashutosh Govarikar. Okay, so firstly, how do you feel?
It feels wonderful, of course. You know, when you make movies, you're actually trying to express a feeling. And it's about what you feel about the environment that you are in. So it can be something patriotic, it can be nationalistic, it can be religious tolerance. Or my recent one was about environment. When you're making them, you're not thinking about any contribution. And so it's wonderful to be receiving an award such as this. Thank you, Mr. Hira. Because it just gives you, it's a kind of reminder that you need to keep growing, you need to keep expanding, you need to keep reinventing, rediscovering, handling more themes. So thank you very much.
I was just looking only because, okay, but I want to ask you that a few questions, especially लिखवाए हैं मैंने आज की शाम के लिए. So we would like to know that a few questions. We would like to see कि आप अपनी history को कितने अच्छे से याद रखते हैं. वो कहते हैं लोग जब आगे बढ़ जाते हैं और बहुत success मिल जाता है वो अपना past भूल जाते हैं. And I'm sure you're not one of those. So we are going to test you tonight. Are you ready for that? Okay. Now, this movie had two Bollywood stars coming together on the screen for the very first time and the only time. Which movie is it? And name at least 3 more stars who acted and who made a cameo in that scene.
Failed.
A success. Pehla Disha. Thank you so much. How could you forget?
I forget my own history.
Okay, एक और question. You can't fail in this one. Okay, you impressed Javed Akhtar ji so much that he came to you after watching a movie and said it was the greatest movie ever made. Which movie was that?
See, these are all very pompous and arrogant questions which will demand an arrogant answer, but I will humbly say he said Lagan.
Oh, lovely. Is that the right answer? We have the right answer person there. Okay. Now, is it true that during the production of Lagan, Aamir Khan was left back in the hotel because he was late and bus chhoot gayi?
Yeah, that is correct. Because these are rules that we had set for ourselves. Okay. And in a way, it bounced back at Aamir on that particular day. After that, he was never late.
Oh, lovely. Lovely. And now that's what it takes to be one of the most ace directors of Bollywood. Let's give it up for Ashutosh Govarkar. Thank you so much, sir.
So I want to give it up for Mr. Nari Hira, who I like to call, he's one of the first movie moguls. He's the one who started the video boom, as I like to call it. So let's hear it from Mr. Hira.
I made the maximum noise. Congratulations, sir. All right. Moving from films, it's time for us to get into some fashion because movies are